Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will learn something new in Spring Boot. I don't know what I will learn, but I will learn. Let's get started. So here is my IntelliJ and let's get some projects, okay? At first I will research what I can learn. Some backend project you can make. Dude, this is a advanced for senior software engineer. Landing boarding. Proxy server. What is proxy server? Okay, I got an amazing idea. What happens is that in staging, when I building some app, so I'm a mobile developer, and sometimes what happens is that no, when I'm in office, I give an app to a QA, you know, and there is some error in the app. Now, how will I debug that error? That's why what I will do. Let's make a proxy so that every request. I mean, I know there is also Dojol in office. But said that, what if I make my own proxy dozer? So like this, what it says, proxy build a proxy server. So I think in this today I will be building a proxy server. What happens is that every time a request goes to my proxy server, then from my proxy server, no. What happens is that that's not what happens, guys. What happens is every request. It's not a proxy server, okay? It's an interceptor kind of. Every request goes to my backend, also goes to actual backend. So I can debug easily in my office. So I will make that Java code. So that's what I will do today. Are you talking about me? No. Okay, sorry for disturbance, guys. I will. That's what real time. In next video, I will make an WebSocket with games. Or should I make games today? No. I will make WebSocket tomorrow. Today I will make proxy server. It's nothing, guys. It's just a server with shape logs. New project, Spring. Okay, guys. So at first, Spring Starter. I must be using MongoDB for this project, but since I don't know how Mongo works, I will be using PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL. Oh no, Gradle. I don't like Maven. I like Gradle. I will be using Java as my project, so A2 is my nickname for my nerdy personality, and no interceptor server. Okay, this is an interceptor server, and I will be using Java 17. I don't know because it is default, and I will be adding some dependency. Which dependency I might add at first? Obviously, server dependency. What was the name? Web dependency. Spring Web for making API. Another my favorite dependency is Lombok. Lombok. So in Dart there is nothing called Lombok for now, but there is nothing concept coming in Dart. That is macros. You know, in Dart. So I don't know more, but it is still experimental. But Lombok is something that works like a reflection of something. That's before using Lombok, I will do a short research about what is Lombok. What is Lombok? No. How Lombok works? Because there is something new coming in Dart, which is kind of similar to Lombok, but it's not actually similar to Lombok. It's completely different because Lombok is something that you know, I don't know. It's different. Why? Let me find it out. Top in Lombok does indeed code against internal API as Seal fatally closed. Floridi said. However, as Lombok is only introduced in the compilation phase, It's, it's misleading to claim Lombok will only run on a Sun VM. So Lombok will run on Sun. It's like it might be some Sun solar planet virtual machine. Okay, it will only compile on ECU sans Java. It will in Sun there might be some Java. However, the vast majority of virtual machines out there, they seem a compiler. I don't think I will understand anything from this post about Lombok. Let me read the next post, okay? Lombok, magic. Okay, that's how the magic works. OMG, this is really amazing. What other language? I need some. Okay, okay, I will read this. There's no proper documentation about Lombok. I am getting confused. What is Lombok? The fat free fat. I am autistic, guys. Sorry for my bad English. Ah, Lombok is reflection. So there's a goal near me. Sorry for that. This I don't care, guys. Whatever sound you make, nobody's gonna watch my videos. It's just me, my future self will watch. Oh, there is different no reflection at all. As Lombok uses sort of code generation, so it's not an reflection; it's a code generation. It works AST, abstract syntax tree level. It works with parsed source somewhere between the source code and byte here. A part of Lombok is D-Lombok, which shows another exit word code. So I understand nothing from this post. The office side is pretty clear how Lombok builder can be placed on the class or in or a method, while the on a class and on a constructor mode are the best common use. Builder removes the exp method is builder. No, I know there is something I cannot understand how Lombok works. Okay, I've read this with patience. My patience is going out of hand. Lombok. How the magic works? How does the Lombok magic works underneath? How you pronounce underneath? Pronounce, pronounce underneath,
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 underneath, underneath,
underneath,
underneath,
underneath. I'm not a British guys. I'm an American.
underneath,
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 underneath.
underneath. I will speak slow because I generally speak slowly. I generally speak slowly. I generally speak slowly.
Underneath,
Underneath.
underneath.
This is not a good way to learn English. I think this is a good way to learn English. Allow. Underneath. Look,
This is the definition of underneath,
if someone
situated directly below something else.
shut up, I am speaking. Okay, if a Google can understand my English, that means my English is proper. Okay, Lombok. Can I pronounce Lombok? Lombok. Lombok. Pronounce Lombok.
Lombok,
Lambak.
Lombok.
Lambak. So guys, I will be using Lambak in this video. How does Lambak works underneath? Underneath. How does the Lambak magic work underneath? Much has already written about how what Lombok does and how it reduces boilerplates for Java developer. This post is not about how to use Lombok. At Unlock, we extended the Lombok implementation and we're amazed to learn how how flawlessly it works across different build systems. Java version set IDE annotation processor introduced in J2SE5 and cannot make changes to existing files. It could only create new files or bytecode. This makes Lombok implementation intriguing. How this pronounced, guys? Let's figure it out. Intriguing. How to pronounce intriguing?
Intriguing.
Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. It's
Intriguing.
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 Intriguing. Intriguing. Intriguing.
Intriguing.
It's not intriguing. It's not intriguing. It's intriguing. This U is silence. I don't know why. But I'm not American. I'm British.
Intriguing.
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 Intriguing. Intriguing. Implementation intriguing since they use annotation processor to modify the existing Java class file during the compilation phase. So that's the difference between Lombok and Dart macros, which is coming in the future. That's Lombok works on compilation phase, whereas Dart macros, which will come in next few months, works on runtime. It doesn't works on compilation. It's like a no virtual augmented coding. You are coding in some place and it's augmented. How to pronounce augmented? How to pronounce augmented?
Augmented.
Augmented. Augmented.
Augmented.
Augmented. But
Augmented.
I'm not a British. I'm American.
Augmented.
Augmented. So in British is augmented. In American it's augmented. So the difference between British and American is aug versus aug. Augmented. Augmented. Augmented sounds pretty, so I will not use American, I will use British. Augmented.
Augmented.
Augmented. So, where was augmented? How I come to the word augmented? There's nothing augmented. Oh, sorry. Augment. Augmented reality. I want to explain how Lombok achieves this feat in detail. How to pronounce what? Achieves. How to pronounce achieve?
Achieve.
Achieve, achieve,
Achieve.
achieve, achieve. So in American it's achieve, in British it's
Achieve.
achieve, achieve. I think achieve sounds better than achieve, achieve. Lombok achieve. Hello bro, what's up? I'm improving my English
Achieves.
comic skill by making YouTube videos. You should also do it because you want to go abroad, bro. Why are you wasting time? You should make videos right now. Yeah, laptop. Download OBS for recording. Yeah, OBS. It's open source and free.
Achieves.
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 Achieves. I think American accents is better. Achieves. Okay, in details. Annotation processor, header process, annotation processor, transform, Java P transformer. This diagram is getting out of my head. How to pronounce head? How to pronounce head?
Head.
Head,
Head.
head,
Head.
head,
Head.
head. British
Head.
head. Okay, what?
Head.
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 American sounds better.
Head.
Head. It's not head, it's head.
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 So it's getting out of my head. And notice since I'm not British, Lombok uses this a and step called map resources and rename all .class file to scl Lombok. In short, it hides the class file in a given jar by renaming it. Why it's important. So I don't think I will understand anything from this block, but I understand one thing, that Lombok is a little bit different from Dart macros and it works on compile time. That macros cannot work on compile time because Java has something called AOT, ahead of processing, AOT, ahead of time tree shaking in, I don't say in what, in Dart, due to which Dart macros cannot work on compile time, unlike Lombok. But Lomboks are amazing. Macros are also coming in Dart, so I think the future of Dart is so bright for me. I'm so cool, Dart. OMG. Let's open it to Spring Starter as Senator project. A2 artifact. Artifact what? What guys? What? Artifact. Artifact. Interceptor. Interceptor add dependency web. Spring web add dependency Lombok. I will be using Postgres diver. Also, what else I need? I don't know. I have other project. I will just copy paste into this project from other project because why not, guys? I hate Maven. Maven so boring. Interceptor Control B, and I will zip this file up. Come on, guys. Extract all. Extract. So for this video, I will be doing everything in this desktop, which is a bad practice. Uh, self practice. Every file is self practice. Open. D. There's nothing. Everything is open. Why I have to hide it? I can do something. Guys, I am showing a lot of details in my videos. Please do not misuse anything, because I am also mistakenly I might have shown some sensitive details which I might not have shown in the video. Do not misuse me, guys. My intentions are good. Please, I beg you, please do not misuse anything. If you see anything sensitive being exposed in this video. With that said, I will confirm that my video is it's being recorded. Yeah, it's being recorded. It's being recorded. It's being recorded. It's being recorded. Okay. So this is our project. I will make an I will make an Java. How much deep I have to go then on package project files interceptor. Ah, it's so freaking boring. No, in Android it's so easy. Everything goes like this. Mm. Open enable preview tab. What it does? Nothing. What is share other option? Tree appearance. So excludify. Dun, 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 dun. So so remember. Dun, dun. Filter mode. Dun, 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 dun. Filter package. Dun, 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 dun. I forgot what was the default thing. What happened? What happened? Guys, what happened? File nesting. Okay, guys, leave it. Let's start coding. There is a main. What is this? What the heck is this, guys? Oh, this is something I don't have to focus on. Creator W. This is my dependencies. Let's go to Java and let's make my controller. I will not do feature based coding because this project have only one feature. And obviously, why I am doing this project? To increase my Git Hariali greenness. So git init, git add, git add, git commit. I will commit so much in this video that my today git streak will go 10. Today's my aim is 20 streak, okay? Initial commit. So I've done coding after a long time, so I might have forgotten something. Do not complain, okay? Do not complain, otherwise I will kill you. Ah, guys, I have done something bad in this project. Something is not correct in this project. This. If I do something like this, if I do this and this, it should not be showing. Something is wrong in this video. No, no, I mean in this project. This Hati, this is called Hati in our language, also known as Gradle. AI, OMG, AI, I have to do nothing. It will do everything. So guys, I will do nothing. This AI will do everything. Get error explained, automate writing, commit message and docs. OMG, why I am start IT. Should I wait for Gradle? AI. Gradle? AI. Gradle? AI. Gradle? AI. Gradle, Gradle. This Hati, it's parity. Come on, come on. But if I, even though this is imported, if I restart, I think this will import again. But patience is the key for the success. Importing interceptor. Okay, let's learn English in this book. Let's learn English in this video because at the end, this is what's the aim for this video to learn the English. How to pronounce English. How to pronounce English. English. Oh, where is that girl? Pronounce English.
English,
English.
English,
English.
English,
But wait a minute. I'm learning from a girl, but I'm a boy. I need this person to be boy. Boy.
boy,
I think language doesn't depend on gender.
English,
English.
English,
English. Which is better?
English,
English.
English,
English.
English,
I think this hard is installed. Let's restart. This video will end at 9:30. Sorry everyone for this long video. Login. If I log in, my credential could be exposed to everyone, so I will not log in. Sorry guys. Intercept SRC main. Oh, now this is getting better because previously it was this. Java class controller. Which controller? I don't know. Interceptor, interceptor controller. Okay, annotation. Spring Boot works on annotation controller. What? What is rest name or what? I forgot everything which I learned previously. Rest controller. So how can I give a name to a controller? There are too much things. Value constant. Put mapping, class, controller, advice, request, response body, value constant. I forgot, guys. I was such a. Means I don't have to remember anything in my career. Coding is not something you remember. Coding is something you copy paste from other project. Which project is a good project? What practice? Nah. Notification? Nah. I cannot share notification. I can share OAuth practice to you or this. I think I can share this project with you. OAuth practice because I've done nothing in this project at the end. It was a failure. Controller. So there is request mapping. Rest con yeah. And still the emulator is running. 50 GB, 53 GB free. That's nothing, bro. The more you code, Android, Android development can even take 100 GB. There's something called Gradle. That guy has a big elephant. Hathi. 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 Yeah, that's normal, bro. That's normal in our journey. So this request mapping is so boring, guys. Because just look at it. Redundancy. I hate redundancy. Let's make my custom. Okay. Custom request v1 API v1 mapping. This mapping copy paste everything. In the name of solving redundancy, I am creating redundancy. This is not how things work, bro. You are dumb. Or maybe not. What if this implements this? Implements this. And this is also something this interface. If it's also interface, I have don't have to. If we extend this, cannot may not have extend. It is implement it. As in theory, I just have to agree the contract it have. It so an interface cannot be implemented. This sounds implements. So I don't think this will work, but Spring might not identify my controller. Let's write intercept. This is nothing, guys. Just add add request basic API. It is a post mapping intercept, but I don't wanna write something here. This work here like this? No, this API, this post. I think this will work. Okay, guys. In request, what will ask? I get an amazing idea. What about I ask for entire CURL? How to get CURL from you? So guys, I learned new thing in Dart that this interceptor is actually an amazing thing we can use. Okay guys, instead of previous interceptor, this is the most amazing. I will use this in project. So what if I ask every CURL in every request? So there is, I will make a model. Okay, uh, model what they did you data transfer object. Uh, add re- intercept request. Okay, what this intercept request have? Public. I don't know what they call public. Private. Private string request CURL. Private string response. I will ask for request. How can this work, guys? Just imagine. Request URL and response. But when a client is requesting and I am intercepting, there is no request URL. But when a client got a response, there is a response URL. What I can do is I have to think, guys. There is another option is on every response from the backend I will send just because I can do it because even if it's error, okay, private string status code. Request URL, response URL, status code URL. But the thing is, this intercept work only when there is some response from backend. What if I do both, request URL, on request there won't be any response, there won't be any status code. But what's the purpose of it? Why not I intercept on every response the move gets? Because the transaction atomic. So that's what I will do. All args constructor, no args constructor, data. Okay. Request body. So let's also add valid validation in a API. What's I forgot? I have to use Chakadar, or what they call it. Let's go where it's coming from. Jakarta. Let's import Jakarta. It's not here. So guys, this is one of the most confusing thing. Okay, I don't know which dependency it is. Obviously, it's validation dependency because I want validation. My mind going, it's not going. My mind is so amazing, guys. I got 30 minutes more for this video. Sorry for making a long video, but I will make because this aim of this video is to improve my communication skill. I don't care about the content I am giving to you, but I hope you are enjoying listening to my videos because they're really amazing, aren't they? Obviously they are. So not null, not null. Message play. Oh, how this work? I believe that there was no named constructor in Java. How this is asking for message? I think in what they call it annotation there is name constructor. I don't know, but ignore. But how this work, guys? What this message denoting? Annoying. So what I will do is I don't know. They do something like they put something in resources. I don't know how to do this, so I will do something like constants. I will create an file, Java file, no validation constants, because I don't know how they do it. Public, static, or should I learn how to do it instead of guessing? Okay, how to wait, where to write hard coded. What? This is raw coffee, bro. Coded string and coded validation message in Springwood. Do, 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 do. This kind of things is better learned from YouTube rather than message in what they call this weird thing resources. I think it's on resources. I will give 3 minutes for my research, otherwise I will do on my own way. The ChatGPT understand my language. Chat in my this account there is no ChatGPT. Validation message. Validation message in Springboard. Best practices. Properties. Oh, I hate this. त्यो त मेरो लागि हो नि त ए त यसलाई छिटो बनाउला खै त चिनी चिनी नै ल्याउने भने हो लानु चिनी कहाँ ल्याउनु तपाईँले त्यो गर्नु न गइसक्यो defining properties file properties file what's the name this messages dot property messages dot property in resources हल्ला नगर what interceptor dot not English English not empty. What is happening guys? What the heck? Unused property. I will use it here. Then how will it unused property guys? Come on. Will it work? It will not work. How can I use it in? This is setting. Where is getting? Where is getting guys? Where is getting? Anger is harmful. This is where getting is. This is where getting is. Oh no, guys, this is string. Is this a string? Yeah, this is also string. So, guys, finally I did it. If I write something correct to go, so it. I'm getting angry because I am. Oh no, my time is over. Guys, come on, please, please, please work, please work. My time is over, and this experience is not that good, guys, because how can I know that this thing is properly being mapped? I don't. I will give last 2 minutes. Eh? Valid. I hate this. I hate this. Okay, okay. GP. Where is that application properties? This thing must not be hard coded here. I don't know what to do. I will see tomorrow, my backend guys, what they do. This thing is so boring, guys. These things should not be hard coded here. These guys are more dumb. I am more smarter than them. So you write this, guys. Yeah, these blocks are useless. So guys, I will do my own way. So this might be a better approach, but I cannot find anything. I think I will try last day. Message. This is some bad user experience. Even this work, if it cannot reference something, I will not use it. So instead, I will get constant my I mean constants validation constants public string interceptor request empty interceptor oh no it's okay enter please enter interceptor request. My English is bad. English typo interceptor. So it's actually interceptor, not interceptor. 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 Oh wow! Luckily I did correct spelling here. Okay. Response. 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 Status code. Status code. Status code. Not empty. It's better than not null. What this response cannot be empty, guys. But what if response is empty? What ability is validation constant? Start public static and dumb. I'm not a dumb. I'm a smartest guy I can ever find in this whole universe. Public static string. Why this not working? Attribute must be constant. Okay. Public constant. Public constant static a psycho. How can I write this here? My anger switch going out of my head. Neither I can do on my way. Public static string. In this project was working. I did something like this. I did something like this. Not empty message. But here it's not working. Are you comedy me? Come on, guys. Attributes must be constant. But it's not constant here. Then how does it work here? Public static. Oh, final. Sorry. It must be com runtime. What is runtime constant? Final. The listen intercept response intercept status code empty. Okay. This is my DQ request and this is my controller. This is my validation. Now I will call some service. I have my own generic DQ. Let's exception. Okay, copy paste. This is how I do projects in my copy paste. I don't do anything myself. Copy paste. Success generic error authentication response. Copy paste. हो गया Generic error response ये सही बंदा है क्या import controller advice import अरे यार सबै एकैचोटि import हाल्नु नि servlet request import everything bad request this is controller advisor if I throw any exception it will go here so in any project we must have a custom exception there is constant there is controller but this is there's custom exception role okay so I got my controller advice okay I got my due and it will return something known as let me copy paste other things too generic success response uh, generic success response string whatever uh, return new I hate Java new keyword because in Dart we don't have to how can I return generic success it can't even return generic error response it cannot return okay here I have to pass what create concept to guides यार क्या क्या कर रहा है तू success response I have to pass two value one is message second is message is validation message a validation message success message success constants I don't know I can do it's my project I can do anything it's not a production project final string success intercept request success Enters your request has been successfully intercepted. Valid, valid. Okay, so intercept success function dot in response it will return ID. I could have directly written string ID, but I hate that practice. What I love is what intercept response is private string ID all args constructor no args constructor data. I think there could be some problem in this code. I don't know why. Sometimes if there is only one variable, this Java code shows some kind of weird error. Why this separate class? Because for I will explain. Okay, for now the response could be data and ID 1. Okay, this app goes to production, and in future we need to add some new field. That is what we will do. We will do like something like this in future. Okay, some new field. Hello. So what happens is that the the front end which are dependent on this kind of data will crash if I do something like string. But instead if I do something like string, the old version of front end which is dependent on ID do not care about new field. They will not crash. So what I love is to do this kind of response. I don't know whether this code work, but at the end this code must return this kind of response. What I believe is that this kind of response is very bad response. Please backend do not send this kind of response to us. It is bad. In future it might crash our app. That's why it's bad. Okay, our intercept is successful. New intercept response. No arcs constructor. Builder. I love builder. Okay, let's add another get mapping. I don't know whether we have to pass something, name here, but let's use default. Okay, generic response. Mm, entity. Let's get a class name in. Oh, guys, I forgot one of the crucial thing. Commit. I could have done three to commit here. My commits are being wasted. My Haryali on GitHub wasted. Working with add request. So this video can also go up to 10 p.m. because I'm feeling so excited on what I'm going to make. It will make my life so easy. Entity. Hmm? Intercept. I don't know what call. This is table. I don't know. What's my strength? My strength is copy pasting. Table, data, entity. When you're copy pasting is like abstraction. You don't have to understand internal hiding. You just copy, paste, and things works out for you. Intercept. And this entity comes from which class? Jakarta's persistence entity. Everything. So it's coming from this persistence. So this is greater either persistence. Nothing. I hate this kind of naming convention. Obviously, it will come from data, common sense. I'm not that dumb. I'm so genius, guys. You don't know how much genius you are. I mean, you don't know how I am. This video, it's narcissism of art there. Eh, boy. No, no, do not do it. Do it. Do not do it. What if I import ads when export and data? What if I put two things? No, do not do it. Do not do it. Do not do it. Okay, I will not do it. Okay, but how many things we can import from here? Persistence, all of these things. Okay, I did good things. This is good practice. I believe in it. Okay, what are the key? How to write a key? That's more important than what are the key. How I write a model. This is complicated model. This is a enum. This project is useless. This is enough for me to understand. Okay, ID intercept have this all thing that DTU have. DTU किधर गया बच्चा तू किधर गया? Can I return DTU in response? That's what I don't. Created by who created it? Created time. Oh bro, yeah. Mm, I'm got confused. Here it is. Intercept. I should use ChatGPT for this kind of redundancy. Not null. Response not null. Status code not null. And this kind of things useless. And I think other field too, because not null. Private date, local date time. What date, local date time? What difference with local date time? Created at local date time. Last updated at. Why I am adding this field, I don't know. But when I saw ERD of my office project, they generally have this fields created at, last updated at. Obviously, they extend, base entity model entity. So is it can be some their custom class, but since I don't have that base entity, I will do it. And since this is entity data table, entity data table, data setter. What is this entity? This is entity annotation table name. I need builder because it's amazing. Because it's amazing. What other thing I need? ID, credit, device ID. Obviously, which device intercepted me? I need that. String device ID. Not now. Private string device name. Not now. String. What other the details I need from the device? Her device ID is very crucial. Device name is very crucial. Also, I need which app name. Okay, app code. No, no, no. Project code. This is very crucial. Which project intercepted me? Project code. Project code means like my project is Apple. Apple staging. Apple production is also different project code. Okay, guys, keep these things in mind. Other things which I need for my project are this much: Ctrl Shift O, sorry, Ctrl Alt O. What I will do boring things. These are things which we need from. I need to add from this. So being an experienced developer, I will not write these kind of things myself. I will use AI. Password. If it asks for password, I will decline. Guys, what I did? Ignore. My video will be long video up to 10 p.m. My video lasts up to 10 p.m. So sorry, everyone. I don't. ChatGPT. Login. Continue with Google. This is my YouTube account. Huh. This is my account. Uh, is there anything sensitive here? Parse, forward, flutter, no, AMA, static factory, data, nothing sensitive. I can openly. Uh, in this request, add add this also add this kind of message, then give me mapper of entity to DTO and vice versa using builder. ChatGPT, amazing ChatGPT. Oh no, guys, how can it give me builder? I haven't provided all fields. Request code, fast. Device ID. No. Experienced developer always use ChatGPT in return time tasks like this. Not null, dumbass. It's not empty. Uh, Please enter. I don't care. Validation. Okay, this is done. This this is useless, guys. Or it is not useless, guys. Think about it. I will ask it later. Okay. Intercept request, intercept response, intercept created response. Guys, just a dump. Why not in intercept response? Pass all of these details. Intercept to intercept response. This is not something I want the front end to see. Why they need this? Why even front end need this? They just need this. Response DTO with mapper. Response DTO. I want this. So what I learned is I don't need this. Not null. How can I request fill? It's a response. Who cares about this kind of bullshit? What the fuck? Oh, sorry guys. Language. Intercept response. Oh no. Opacity response. Intercept. Frontend only need this kind of details. Mobile response. Response. Status code. No arcs. Construct boring. No arcs. No arcs. Construct. Okay. Builder. No arcs. Construct. Even is okay. Let's try out. All arcs constructor. Annoying things. Add request. Get by ID. Double ID. What is this? Param. Does this thing work? ID. I don't know whether it's a bad practice, but I don't believe it's a bad practice. Obviously, it's not bad practice. But that's not what backend do. Backend asks like query parameter params versus query path parameter in Spring Boot path variable. Okay, just I wanna see one thing. It's too easy. I'm not a dumb. Let's do this and this. One thing I don't give a damn. I'm a coder. I don't read anything. I just do it. Path parameter, path param. Uh, if it don't work, I will debug. I don't give a damn. But it a string. Why to edits? No edits. Int string. No edits. Returns generic success, success response. Okay. Intercept mobile response. There is intercept admin response. There must be role. I don't care about role. In admin, I want to keep all of these details. How to do happy. So this video. Oh guys, what I did. Means never ask any logic from ChatGPT, but always ask this kind of redundant things from it's not null required in DTO. You no bad word. But in response DTO, is it required? Means why I have to validate in response? It is not. Okay, it's not required, but you have to do it. I will do it. What's good things to do? Intercept admin response. For now, no arts constructor, all arts constructor. Input class not null. Putting. Why could I not simply return? IT is everything returned. Who cares? No wonder. Intercept admin response. A mobile does not even need this kind of things, just not null. Why to pass? Not null. Okay, there is it new intercept admin response, and we got success constant dot intercept success. I don't care. Infected been fetched successfully. मान्छे कुद्न जानु पर्यो रविन्द्रमा आउँछ तनाव भयो के भने होइन के भयो भन न मलाई यहाँ के भयो भने होइन गाउँले विदेश के अरे पढे छोरी भए छोरी बिच जा भनेर होइन अनि तनाव भयो अरे के पत्ता बिच जान मन लागेको छ अरे घरबाट पहिला दिएको थिएन अरे अब पर्मिसन पायो अरे अब जान्ने अब जान्न रे अब जान मन लाग्यो अरे घोक्री थिया हानेर आउनु के हो किन So my API have lots of advanced feature. One of the advanced feature is it can add a value. Another advanced feature it can keep a value in response. That's all. It will do nothing else. That's all. No update, no delete. If there is no delete in my why I have to create this last updated at? Future purpose, guys. This is future purpose. Honestly speaking, I don't know it how. Oh no. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, now I will create a service layer. Service. I am feeling boring. Why not just in con? Oh, commit message more important than coding. Writing my controller. Message doesn't matter, but committing. Uh, intercept service. Sorry, I don't bro. Everyone is listening. Okay. You can talk. You can. I don't care. Intercept request return intercept mobile response intercept what admin response add get by ID and double I don't care string ID intercept admin response public public controller final private intercept service uh, all ours what the heck was it guys I forgot controller this concept required all arcs constructor so there are three type of dependency injection I'm using constructor dependency injection instead of what they call property dependency injection. Oh, add mobile request service dot get by ID. My controller is fully. Oh no, guys. Public controller must be public. Let's add swagger. How? Copy paste. Obviously, my video is up to now. My video is nearly 1 hour 9 minutes long. Swagger. Which is swagger? This is swagger. This is swagger. This is swagger. This is this. Nothing is swagger. This project is useless now. Notification. I cannot show notification. Input. I cannot show this. Can I show? I can show this. Smoky pay. Build Gradle. Uh, Lombok. Starter wave. This is, I think, okay. Da, 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 da. Okay. Git add, git commit, adding Swagger documentation. I want to add PostgreSQL, but for now I cannot add PostgreSQL because uh, I forgot everything I did previously. I mean, in resources there is application.properties. Here I have to set up a database connection. In mock API there is no database connection, but in this API I think there is database connection of PostgreSQL. Uh, there is no in resources. There is I hate application.properties. I love application.yaml, YML, what they pronounce application.yaml. As always, I do not use my mind. I just copy, paste. As a developer, you should not use mind. You should learn how to copy paste. That's all. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Spring application. Ta-da. SQL, let's create a database. No, no, my passport is very sensitive. It's admin. Please do not hack my laptop. Create database. Intercept. Intercept is my database name. Whatever. This is whatever. I don't know. Again, I will do things like Gradle. This is I will not test Lombok. Always Postgres. I need this. Uh, this Lombok. I don't care. This is already APA. Data is already implemented, validation is already implemented, but I'm confused that here I've used Hibernate, but here is not Hibernate. Do I need to import Hibernate separately? Never. I don't think so. I don't think so. I have to import. I don't think I have to add Hibernate as dependency. It might come manually. So with that, my database connection is all set. My controller is all set. My intercept application is also all set. Let's create a repository and let's make my things come into life. Repository. What I did, guys. I am so evil. Back, 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 back. Uh, intercept repository. Repository public class. It's an interface which extends GPA repository. Its type of intercept data. ID is int. I think in generic we have to use box type. Repository is not allowed. Who the heck are you to say that repository not allowed? You are compiler. Public interface repository. Is everything alright? Let me copy paste service repository, same thing. It's not the same thing. Service is where we put business logic or TTU entity enum service. Where is there's no repository? I don't think there is any repository in this project. This project have repository. DTO repository is a repository that's okay. Yep, it's an interface which extends JPA, and I can deal with other things find by IT. How these things work? Magic doesn't exist. Uh, it's really amazing how this thing work. Where? कसे काम गर्छ? Through where? Sorry, मैले सोचेको थिइनँ. Optional because there might not be some data. Uh, intercept ID string. String ID. String ID. But how this thing work? How this will find a thing by ID? I don't know. Of but this is private. I don't think this project will work. Should I open this project? This project is something I can show. This project are there's nothing I can show. I forgot everything, guys. Void intercept add interceptor request. Should I add intercept? Yeah, I'm so dumb guy. I don't have to make this kind of thing. This is auto provided by this intercept repository, so I just have to use this in service layer private final intercept repository. Let's import the class. Let's write all required arts constructor, and I got this repository. I will what I do is repository dot add dot insert find exist find zip. What zip? uh, string. Why I cannot say? So the intersects. Okay. This mapper to this. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm not dumb. To this also at get time. Builder. If it doesn't use builder, I will kill it. No need to write this. You dumb builder. There's builder, right, guys? Builder. So it wasted this much my time. Just okay. Now the actual thing starts. Mapper. Avec class mapper. Builder. Come on. Mapper. It's so boring, guys. In .NET, there's something called auto mapper. Uh, intercept. request mapper dot to entity request to entity. Required type mobile response एक answer. Where is mobile response guys? Intercept request ठीक है सब ठीक है. To entity मा के हुन्छ भन्दा provided intercept. Okay, to entity it returns intercept. It returns intercept, asks for intercept request. It asks for intercept request, returns. Everything's correct. Why this thing's complaining? Okay. Non-static type this so that it's a conformity to the more response. Huh? What happened? The entity is not. It is builder. Okay, let's see. For now, it has this for field. Add make add mobile return entity. What is happening, guys? Add mobile. No, no, no. It cannot return entity. Who did this kind of? Okay. Uh, intercept is equal to entity request. Okay. Uh, data. I am from dot return intercept mapper dot to DTO data. I am such a dumb guy. How many model I am creating? I am making my job harder. Mm, new enter mobile response. It is nothing. This ID data dot ID. Since this is implemented, no ask constructor remove this. No ask constructor. All ask constructor. Or I need. I will not take Rixie. This is Rixie. This request. Okay, guys. Up to here, what I've done is I've implemented this. Okay, let's implement this. Return dot find by ID bar ID return to DTO. It's not a request DTO. It's a response DTO. Mm, entity to just give me answer. Do not rewrite the question. No, 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 no. This is also useless. To one, I will learn React Native because I have to basic go. यति थोरै फिल्ड मरेकै पनि हुँदैन हो यति हुन्छ this is what I need this is too much redundancy boilerplates I need something like automapper with .NET app return intercept request mapper dot to admin response data. What is data? It is expecting optional if okay data dot map equal if data dot is empty else data dot get. If I remove this keyword, what will happen? It will compiler complain. Yes, it will complain. Okay, give me code then. Oh, what I did, guys, what I did. Okay, this is very good. Optional is very good thing, guys. I liked it at first glance. Through in every project, we must have an custom exception. It is one of the good thing. Nice developer do for now. Custom exception. I will do nothing. Extends exception. So I don't know Java, that's why I cannot say how these things work. Mm, error. But guys, I don't know Java. How to throw custom exception in Java Spring Boot. Mm, runtime exception. This is a runtime exception. Okay. Throwable cause copy paste. Do not use mind. Just copy paste. That's the number one principle you should learn in coding. It is useless. I don't know what does this mean. Error response. Custom this is controller advice. Okay. Custom handle custom exception. This is so boring, guys. फेरि अर्को बनाउनु म त काम छैन मेरो. Super dot message. I think these things must work. I am feeling bored, guys. So what will happen is there might be exception, but the front end might get something went wrong. Invalid ID. I will fix it later. Commit. I forgot git working to in repository layer. So invalid ID. So in this way, my API is ready. Up to now, I have done shadow coding. I cannot say does this thing work. Ta- 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 tu- tu- tu. Application.yml have let's run it. Which file to run? Let's run this file. SQL admin slash d intercept. I don't know the command, guys. So, what is the command? What is the command? Intercept. I just created a database name intercept, but I intercept intercept how to go into an database in PostgreSQL. See, so see, select everything from nothing. There's no table. Okay. So there is a error. So in initial phase, whenever you get error, you get, what happened, guys? Why there is some error? But as you grow, you don't give a damn about error, guys. It's a part of life. Oh, finished with this error is something already seen. Let's go to top. Let's go to top. Okay, wait, guys. Table already created. Select everything from intercept. Yay. Okay, then we got this build time error. I hate this kind of error. How can I resolve this? Where is the error? If I know this kind of thing. Look, guys, there's something called experience, Experienced developer always beats, IQ, because if there was some experienced developer, they could have find these things with just what the error, just one shot. Oh, this is error. No, but I am not a ex. I will be debugging for hours. Could not create query for public abstract optional. Nice. Copy paste. Do not use mind. Intercept entity aspect string this unit is generated instead of string. No. I will ask user to pass string, not int, because string is better. Service layer with the service layer. Intercept is find by is string. Find by id is string. Get by id string. चलो इसे गया. I'm not sure that this is correct code. Let's it figure out. Get my pin. Thanks, ChatGPT. You saved my life. Uh, t- 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 अबे हट. But I don't want to parse it. Parsing boring. I don't want to use mind. Using mind it's also boring. Find by ID. That's too sinister. If I write integer auto boxing, whatever it is. Errors are welcomed. Do not read error. You have to read error. It's a very bad practice. Okay. Factory unstable dependency error creating bean with intercept service. Define intercept service. Okay. Unstable dependency is a constructor parameter error creating with the intercept repository defined it. Intercept JVA never could not create query for static option or find by ID region failed to create query for method public static optional into cannot compare with right. Okay, I understand nothing, but I can solve it. इतना इंटीजर पास करे सो के भन्न छ okay up to 10 I will solve, then I will solve when lazy this ID is generated. Okay, guys. Empty intercept ID generated. What I have read that if I don't write this, it will get a default value, but let's do not use mind. Do what said. It's integer find by it. Okay. यही त गरेछ साइको यही त गरेछ. What is this ID? This ID? This ID. This is integer. Find by ID intercept. This is controller path wherever string. I will see one of the my backend code because boring. I'm doing some boring thing. As per what the ChatGPT said, I have to create this method here. It's actually useless to create this method because why should I? You're a dumbass. You're a dumbass. So guys, sorry for everything mistake. It will work now. 100 and 0%. Minus 100 and 0% it will work. Tomcat started. That means it's working. Localhost. Localhost. Dot 8080 says swagger minus UI dot html. Finally, guys, execute. What? Why there is an error? Errors are always welcomed as a developer. Violates null constant operator. Null value in column ID of relation intercept violates null pointer exception. Guys, come on. It's auto-generated ID. Null ID में violates psycho. Request response. Okay. Fan. Created table by default as big serial is the solution. What the heck is this? Psycho. I am more talented. Auto sequel. Log table intercept. You can use hands. Bro, video recording. This video. Your very. This video will be watched by many people, guys. Th- Those people who watch this video might not know you, but they know you. Their voice, language. Yeah, this sequel is useless. Oh, now they also know his name. Yeah, we are gone, guys.
And they know the fact that you are no skill in this. Who? Buddy. Huh? Who knows my name? Someone mutual with Aradai. What? And you. Someone who is mutual with Aradai and you. Who was it?
Describe
What's that guy?
describe
What's that
table
guy?
in
I don't know the name of the guy. But he could probably go to see her. You what? You got this was a small skill. That's not a skill. That's the sharpener. You got sharpener in the body. And Aradai use that sharpener every day.
bro.
Yeah.
Not forgot that I will sleep.
What?
I auto. I will use auto.
Oh. Can't be hard to like it. Oh.
Drop table. I don't think I have to drop table every time I do this.
Don't drop table. Use truncate it.
Oh,
Truncate the table.
truncate. It's bad then. Drop.
Oh no.
Okay, my roommate will explain the difference between truncate and
No, 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 I
which
cannot
is better.
explain.
Which is better?
I cannot explain. I have no idea about truncate. But how you should drop the table?
Which is better? Drop or truncate?
In my view, drop is better.
Because truncate saves no lock.
I have no any connection with logging.
It is cool. In bachelor they taught me lots of things. I forgot those things, everything.
Oh, in fourth semester I will learn about truncation.
ID. I need this. Oh, guys. Oh, bad. My bad. I was wasting time. Select everything from intercept.
Can somebody provide me a real skill?
ID 50. It was already being created. If I do something like this, I thought this was the response. That's why from I was wasting this much time.
I need a skill. I need a skill.
So my code
I
is
need a
already working.
skill.
The
Everybody in the room.
problem is in the response I need to give front end ID regarding request created. I executed this code in response. I'm not getting what I'm expecting. Why? Why? Server response is not why I. Let's execute this in Postman. I doubt I can. Postman. I doubt I can.
Look at this
This.
Sonom's 13-inch long skill.
Okay,
We can first
guys.
use Rosan Sakota.
Add intercept get ID. Oh, I forgot one thing. I forgot one thing, guys. Not returning. What is it? Don't understand. Not used to brutal accuracy. They cannot be non-students. Single class, single variable in a class, not returning anything. I don't know anything on dump, guys. All ask constructor. I will add no ask constructor too. Why? I don't know. No ask constructor. Yes, we done it. Guys, I'm getting so confused here. I'm a beginner and public psycho. You're a psycho, not a public. Public. Private. If there's a data, there is a getter. So you're not a psycho. You're a genius. String test. Hello. So it will work now. क्या लाग्छ यार कहिले That's so boring यार 53 I need Dozel. That's यार चावल आइसक्यो के आउँछ Chat GPT
In 60 days, I'll be in the police
Chat
front and I have
GPT
it now.
there's obviously there is no construct guys
So,
if there is you have to pass no args constructor if you are dealing with database data and builder is not enough
what's this?
but all args constructor
26, 60, 70. असलको 14 गते
example what's happening guys backend is sending me some response I'm not receiving those response the one of
are
the
you getting response from backend?
backend my backend is not getting back
Your
response
backend is not back ending. Let me see, can I see?
T API name is T okay
Oh, so it's a bad name for API.
required is for dependency REST controller wait I will see other code what's the difference this is this is up this git mapping value it's value it is not a problem I know but
Oh, what is the camera?
it is being recorded bro hey this laptop have no camera security powers hackers like me use this kind of laptop not
So good laptop. Oh my god.
obviously
There's no
it's
camera, but how can I attend the meeting if they will say open an application? Oh sorry, open a camera.
security purpose I will not do it
And what if you have to attend an interview
security purpose I will say
and
privacy
that guy will say, oh, if you don't open any camera, then you are rejected.
privacy matter then
Okay. Depends on you.
I will use other device
Good, good. Let me count it again.
my API is not working bro I don't know why making API is interesting but miss most of the times weird errors get into your way should I sleep or continue generic response oh wait static code generic response data T oh bro you forgot one thing this is this fix this oh I forgot one thing so this is quantity I think this problem with this useless dumbass controller.
This is my time schedule. At a time.
Yeah.
Do you have any clue?
Nope. I think Rosen have.
Oh, no, no. No, no. Let us not touch glue with him. He is very rough food. He's very rough guy. Yes. Yes. Do you want or not? Do you want or not? You have whole. I know everybody in this room has. Do you want or not? No, I don't need a roll. I don't. You don't need gum. I have. Okay, then give me. Give me. I will put.
Guys,
Let us look what he will put. Let us look what he will put. He just took my paper.
what if it actually make video? What he will do? Let's expose him. The work.
Let's round off.
Close the bulb. My video getting so bad due to this.
Stop the radio.
Laugh! No laugh, no laugh.
Very bad guy.
My video recorded.
म पहिलो चाहिँ क्या सोचिरहेको
Alrighty, so my API is working properly. How this thing could happen? How this went into 155? This is tremendous.
I'm taking.
The problem is with this thing, guys. Okay, everything's correct, but my generic success response, generic success, generic success, yes. This is constant dot. So this response have some error. As you can see, this response is of type generic response, and this is of type response entity. I don't know what I've done, guys, but there is a general coding principle that you should never trust your own code.
Ha, very good principle. I also know that principle. I do follow my principle.
So I will not trust. I will pause this video. I will find solution and stop it. Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome back. So after lots of research, what I did was I will just end this video. I'm feeling bored. I created generic success response. This generic success entity. This generic error response. This generic error entity. This two not working. Here is access to handler. This is also not working. I don't know why. I will not fix it. And finally, when I run my code, oh, this is my API. Wait. This is my Swagger documentation, and so there's two API. This is a API that mobile will consume. Whenever mobile will have requester, they will get some response. They will get response status code. The mobile will have a device ID, device name, product code, and when they hit enter, ta-da! This is our response. And when I hit this, and this is admin who can see the response. Ta-da! So this is guys everything I did for 2 hours. If I write something useless, this is not working. I don't know how to fix this. something called this weird things medicine. So that's all for this video. I will do my final communicate and final commit for today. Not good message, but I don't care. So guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I learned how to speak English. I learned what is Lombok and the difference between Lombok and macros. And I finally created an API. I learned the response, and I will actually use this API every in my app. All of my mobile app will go to this interceptor, and when they're in localhost, all of the record will be recorded. So in QFS, it makes my life so easy. Thanks, Q.